Hi guys, welcome back to another Adobe Illustrator tutorial. Today we will learn how to create fingerprint with Adobe Illustrator. So, without further ado, let's get started. Document size 1000 pixel width and 1000 pixel height. Press A, Direct Selection tool, click both top point together and make it rounded. Press I, Eyedropper tool, and click the line to make the line have the same color and stroke. Go to Object, Path, Offset Path and fill it with -10 pixel. Do it again few times. Press plus, add anchor point tool, to add some point. Now we need to remove this line segment. Press Shift and P, anchor point tool, move your cursor to the line until the cursor change and click. Press delete and the line will gone. Do it again few times to make the fingerprint looks better. Let's try another trick, remove line segment in the same direction. Press A, Direct Selection tool, and select both point. With 2 points selected, press Ctrl and J on Windows, or Command and J on Mac to join the line. Let's continue removing part from the fingerprint. Draw ellipse as base of the fingerprint and put it in the center. Now select everything and press Shift+M, Shape Builder tool, to join or cut shape. We want to remove this outer part of the ellipse. Press Alt, on Windows, or Option, on Mac, and you will see the cursor change to minus symbol. Now click the part you want to remove. Remove the ellipse and it's done.